Good morning. So it's Cliff here for yctestdrive. As I said, I'm in the city center. I am going to take the Ford Fiesta for oil change today. Let's go. I'll show you where the oil, where I change. I usually go and change the oil. Okay, let's see. Oh, I have a blister here. Today it's a bit chilly. I almost got sick of the cold and flu. But I think it was not so severe. That's why I got a blister. But now I'm okay. I'm feeling okay. This is the first time I am taking a Fiesta for service, so I do not know how much it will cost. So we'll find out together. As I said, with the Passat, I've had it for almost 8 years. So I knew whenever I took it the estimate of how much I would spend on service. But with the Fiesta, I've never serviced the Fiesta before since we got it. So if any one of you owns a Ford Fiesta, please let me know how much you usually spend for service. Just a change of oil, spark plugs, filters and so forth. There's this certain sound that the steering, vibration. I'm not sure if you can hear it from the steering wheel. But this probably will be sorted when I do wheel alignment. So I'm taking this car to Clinton's Auto Repair. Clinton's Auto Repair, he is more specialized in VW and Audi, or let's say German make cars. He's very good. My Passat, I used to take it there. I trusted him quite a lot. You see, mechanics are like doctors. You get to trust them and you get to stick with them. So like with Clinton, I've been taking my Passat there. Our Amaroks from the previous company that I used to work for, Nature Wheels, we used to take our Amaroks there. But a couple of times I've taken a car which is not a German made. For example, I have my grandma's Mobilio. It usually went there. My uncle's BM went there. My uncle's Toyota Prado went there. I even took a friend of mine's Chev. It's a Chev Captiva. The hooter. This one I need to get it fixed as soon as possible. So I need to figure out if that's part of the fuse or what that is. Fiesta, going for the first time for service. Hopefully it won't cost thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, because this is just the start. Let's see how much that would cost. But anyway, this car really drives well. I can't complain. The aircon of this car just stopped. I'm not sure if it's the gas, but it just stopped during our winter time. And me and my wife were like, we don't need the aircon now, it's cold. If we want to heat, we just put the heat from the engine. It's okay. So that was fine for us. We did not need to sort out the aircon. But now, temperatures have changed. We are now in summer. It's so hot. I'm so curious to know how much the service of this car would cost. Usually with the Passat, I would go maybe between 2,000 to 3,000 for just a normal service, oil change, spark plugs, filters, air filters and oil filters, diesel and petrol filters. So Godfrey is calling me, so he's picking me from Clinton. Yo!
I'm on the way.
Are you on the way?
Yes.
Okay, you'll find me at Clinton's. Alright, then see you soon. This is a new road, this small road here. Makes life easier not coming across Trinitas, because this road was closed for almost a year and a half or so. So here it's an industrial, but it's more of business area. You see, lots of Audi, there's a T1 Polo. Okay, let's see. I'll have to come back out my things from. So be aware of the dog coming here. This dog knows me. Hopefully he will recognize me. Some people will not enter. Ah, you are full of yourself. Hey. Oh. Morning. Where's Clinton? He's cooking out. Where's Vic? He must take for me a job cut.
Vic?
Vic! Uncle Vic, how are you? Okay, so let me show you quickly around. One of the cars that I've always wanted. Oh, look at that one. He's just collected something. What is it that you have? Bring here, let me see. Go, bring here, let me see. It's so playful. This RS3, man. It hasn't been driven. He's not driving it. Look at how dust it is. He's not driving. It's just been parked here. This car, this I've always dreamed of this car. RS3.
Oh, this one.
Do you remember the Fiesta?
Yeah.
Still alive.
What do you want service?
Yeah, I want service. I want oil change. Okay, I have a list of things that I want to do. So, okay, first let me write my names here quickly.
No, yeah, you can leave those things. I'll follow you.
Okay, you fill in these ones, eh? Okay, so let me just
Telephone number.
08128. The kilometers you that one you sort it out.
What you want to do service?
Okay, I want to. So should I mention what I specifically need to be done, or if I say service, you will.
Service, we change all the filters, the oil, ne? Fuel filter, oil
Oil filter.
air filter, foreign filter. He's got an aircon.
Okay, yeah, and spark plugs.
Spark plugs. That's
Okay,
part of the
that's
service.
part of the service.
Then what we do, we take off all the wheels of the car and see how the brake pads look like.
Yeah, that's what I want to be checked.
That's part of the service.
Yeah.
Then we inform you the brake pads are worn out.
Yeah.
If you replace, that's the price we pay. Make you a quote.
Then we'll make a quote for us. So number one thing I would say it's service.
Service, yeah.
Yeah.
Service.
So apart from the service, just the things that I want you to just double check.
Okay.
Okay. The saves I also want you to check and fuse.
Not fuses.
The fuse, because the cigarette lighter thing is not working. Socket is not working.
The lighter.
The
Just
12
the light-
volt plug.
No, just take lighter not working.
So same applies with the hooter.
And plus hooter. They check the hooter also. They check
Yeah,
all
because-
the lights. They check all the lights,
Yeah.
indicators
Yeah.
and whatever.
Yeah.
Check
Yeah.
the hooter.
Check the
and then,
hooter.
okay, that one should give the lighter.
Yeah.
The lighter and the hooter.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Okay.
And then you sign for us.
Okay,
Mr. Kirk Mbala.
Yeah. I'll sign for you here.
How urgently do you need your car?
I need it as soon as yesterday.
Okay, soon as it's ready. It can
Yeah.
be done today.
It can be done today?
Yeah.
That will be good. If you guys know about the Toyota Prado.
Yeah?
Oh, this Toyota Prado is so dirty. Thank you.
Which way are you heading?
So now you have to take me to Shamatengo's house. So West just picked me from Clinton. Yeah, it's Uncle Godfrey. In my phone he saved just UG, Uncle Godfrey. That's him. He's just picking me with the Toyota Prado. I've done a couple of videos with this Toyota Prado, going to the village. You remember that
Write
trip?
the number.
That was a nice trip
Write
when
the
we
number,
went
write the number.
when we were doing pathfinding. You
Oh,
were there, right?
yes, I was there.
You actually filmed. Probably might have filmed some of
We
the
spent
part.
what? Hours digging.
I was digging and doing that, and then muddy area and so forth. Yeah, so that's
that
really
was quite the adventure.
yeah. Oh, what an ugly Mercedes Benz it is.
Oh, no, it's okay. Boot space.
Good space. Looks like someone just chopped it with a panga at the back.
Benz,
It almost looks like a
Honda
Brio, Honda, Jazz. But you can see the lanes somehow.
You can see
You
somewhat.
can see
Yeah.
somewhat
You can see
where the lanes are supposed to be. Look, Sheila, I have a stick. Tao, I have a stick. Away, I'll beat you with a stick.
So these are what you plug onto.
Yeah. Onto the shield. This guy's name is Tao. Look at the saliva. The problem is if he sniffs on me, he leaves his saliva everywhere. You know, that's why we tell him not to. Okay, here is the Jeep. Let me take a Jeep for a ride today. I swear, I'll hit you with a stick. You see the stick? You see the stick, Tao? Tao, you see the stick? You see the stick, Shira? I'll hit you with a stick. So you must stay away from me, your big head. We can go with the 750i. Should we go with the 750i or the Jeep? Which one do you think? We should go with 750. This is luxury at its best. These doors you do not have to, you know, you just do this. It takes the door itself. Let's leave the BM for now. This is more executive. I'm going to go with the Jeep. The suspension in front, it's really sitting. See if it will go up when I start it. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, it went off. Hold the start button. What's wrong with this guy? It hasn't been started in ages. And the suspension is just sitting like this, or will it go up?
It will rise. It will rise when you finish, but it will only rise to allow you to move around. What is this? That sport aerodynamic.
Yeah. It won't go as.
It won't go high.
It will rise. Raise it for me.
Yeah, that's the height you need.
Okay, I think that's fair. Alright, let me take it for a ride. The Jeep. This is the car. Okay, it's warning me. I think apparently the door is not closed. What else? What's the oh? It's the parking sensors. Oh, the foot brake is. Which side is the foot brake? I think this car is a foot brake, right? Yeah, it has a foot brake. Okay, yeah, that's the emergency brake. It's a foot brake. Okay, I don't want to scratch it. What's the complaint about now? Oh, it does not have the. Yeah, I've driven this Jeep maybe. I think twice, if I'm not mistaken. I've driven it twice going to Groothoop. I don't know how to pronounce it. Which was like maybe 100 kilometers going and coming back. And just driving around town. But I did not get time to sit and drive this car. Air pressure is complaining. This is a 5.7 liter engine. So I think a 5.7 liter engine produces about maybe 259 kilowatts. It's about 510 or 520 Newton meter of torque. Okay, let me quickly go to the save station and just try to add some small amount of fuel in. Otherwise I might end up stopping. This is a gasoline guy. He's very thirsty. It's a Hemi V8 engine in here. So you can understand that it can easily run out of fuel. Yes, sir. How are you today? I'm well. I do not know if this car is petrol or diesel, but whatever it is, put for me 200.
200.
Yes, sir.
Hope it's petrol.
I hope so. It's not open. How do I open that now? trying to figure out. So the fuel, there's a button here that you press. Let me just check my tire on the other side. It was indicating that it's low. Let me just quickly do that and check it.
Available options are call, dial, phone book, redial, emergency, breakdown service, or Uconnect device setup.
Uconnect device setup.
Say the name of the device or say list devices.
List devices.
Smbala. Shadu.
Uconnect service.
Available options are call, dial, phone book, redial,
I'm tired. I cannot
emergency,
figure out how to
breakdown
connect
service,
this.
or Uconnect device setup.
Uconnect device setup.
The device is not available.
So what now? I'm struggling to connect. Uconnect device setup.
Select one of the following: device pairing, confirmation prompts, select device, emergency, or breakdown service.
Device pairing.
Select one of the following: pair a device, delete a device, or list paired devices.
Pair a device.
Please say a 4-digit PIN number.
0000.
PIN code 0000. Is this correct?
Yes.
Start pairing procedure on the device. See device manual for instructions.
Let's see how long it will take me. 0000. Pair.
Please say the name of the device after the beep.
YC test
Please repeat
drive.
the name of the device.
YC test drive. iPhone.
Please repeat the name of the device.
YC test drive iPhone.
Pairing complete.
Is pairing complete? Okay, let me see if I can play music. That music is playing in my thing. That's old music. It's not music from my disc. No, that's not what I want. I want to just play music. I'm struggling today with it. How do I play music from? Oh, there were buttons behind the steering wheel. I forgot that Jeep has that. How do I play music from my phone? Come on, Jeep. I cannot play my music.
Please say a line number or say correction.
That's not what I want.
The first page is displayed. Please
No,
say a line
that's not
number
what I
or say
want.
correction.
I just want to play music.
The first page is already displayed. Please say a line number or say correction.
No, I just want to play music.
Please say a line number
I
or
just
say...
want to play music. Okay, let me try another thing. It doesn't even give me an option of a Jeep here on my phone. Devices. That finally, YC iPhone is here. Ooh, that was a...
Do I look like I care? I don't care where you came from. I don't care what you talk about. I don't care, I don't scare, I don't dare. So yeah, do I look like I care?
Finally, I got it right. Okay, let me put down the volume before we get strike with custom copyright. Music copyright. Okay, finally I managed. After how many minutes? It took me about 15 minutes to try to figure out. Whoa, that was a long one. The indicator on one side doesn't have a... Okay, it shows that it's busy going up.
Haya, kasabuti mbele kwa mbele, sukuma kite. Oya, undo muda wetu nasema kidete, watu kidete. Kabako na paka pena chopate kitete, wape kitete. Noma na nusu kisai sai.